Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Ali, and welcome to Daily E-commerce, where we talk about e-commerce and dropshipping businesses every single day. So, in today's video, I have a great case study example for you of two businesses: one that's doing $763,000 a month, and one that's doing about $196,000. And how this business just basically white labeled, or a better word for white labeling is modeled this business and launched it in Germany and was able to do like $200,000 a month in sales. And I'm going to show you exactly how they did it. And hopefully, I'm going to teach you in this video how to white label successful stores so that when you find something working successfully in the US, you can basically bring it back to your country, maybe in Germany or wherever, and then launch a successful brand. Because what I'm trying to teach people that are starting e-commerce is that you don't have to go out and try and find a winning product that nobody else has discovered. In fact, it'd be much more profitable to find something that's working, something that's doing really, really well, understanding why it's doing so, modeling that entire business, its website, its offer, its ads, and then launching your version of it. And you could do that in the States if you wanted to, because there's no way this business has enough capital to target all of the US, right? So you could do that in the States, or you could do that in your country where that product isn't even heard of, and start making some money. All right. So what is the product that both these guys are selling? Well, they're selling this particular product that we spoke about a while ago, which is the micro infusion kit. Now, what is a micro infusion kit? Typically, what a micro infusion kit is it's like it has like an anti-aging serum that's put inside this type of applicator that has sharp edges, and so it creates like holes in your skin and it applies the serum. Okay, and the advantages are obviously it gets rid of wrinkles, fine lines, crow's feet, and other anti-aging issues that women have. Great niche to be in. And when I scroll through both of these side by side, they are very, very similar design pages, both having what you need, right? What the product is, how much it costs, and what are the main benefits of it, right? Tons of videos of people using it, how the visible results are explained, clinical case studies and trials. Look at this, right? What happens in 30 days, how to use it, what are the ingredients, us versus them, frequently asked questions. Very, very similar style pages for both that are typically going after the market. I'm sure I can bet you whatever you want that Luma has studied Glove and has applied what they've learned into building and launching their brand. Okay. Even when we take a quick peek at the type of advertising they're using, right? Look at the fact that they have look at how similar both these ads are, right? You can pretty much say that this and this ad is exactly the same. And that's by design, that's by intention. Once you 70% off, that's by design and intention, because and I don't know what this translation is, but if I translated it, that would be by design and intention as well. And Luma, this brand, they not only white labeled this business, they're actually running a ton of different products as well, white labeling other business models that are working. And their entire business is to take products that are working somewhere else and move it to Germany. So how do you decide if a business is worth white labeling? And if a business is worth white labeling, how do you white label it? Okay, so let's take a look at Glove Beauty and what are they doing? How are they running this business? And how could you typically white label, what is this whole thing? How do you take something that's existing and modeling? Let's just talk about that for a second, okay? The first thing is you have to identify whether or not this business is successful. Now, typically I'm looking at big numbers here, right? Where I can see, where I can track. Typically I use Winning Hunter to do that. I'll leave their link in the description below, but I can track and see like how many orders they're doing a day. But you don't have to, right? So if you are doing product research every single day and you're trying to find products, a great indicator of a business that's successful is their active ads. Okay, if you look at this business runs 7,600 different ads, and if you look at active ads, how many ads that they're running right now, let's take a look. About 700 of their ads are active. That tells me beyond a shadow of a doubt that this business is successful. Okay, then another thing that you can do is go to filter and look at how many ads have been active for the last, just go back a little bit. Okay, just go back a little bit. And before November, there are 240 ads that are still running. What does that tell us? That tells me that there have been ads that they've been running for like 2 months that they haven't turned off because it's making them money. These are all indicators of success for a business. What's another thing to look at? Okay, take a look at how many different products they're running. And in this instance, they're literally only running these many ads for one product. Literally, all of these 7,000 ads are all around this one product. It's a good product for hair. It's a good product for skin. It's a good product for anti-aging. They've been able to use this and serve it via multiple different angles. That also tells me that this product is worth running. Now, really important, can we source this particular product? Now, me and my team, we do a ton of research, and yes, this product is very, very easily sourceable. And the thing about this product that we like is the fact that it is it has a little bit of a moat around it, because you cannot drop ship this. Hold on, let me just look at the suppliers that we have. Give me a second. Suppliers often change their links, but let's take a look at the micro infusion anti-aging serum. Let's just type this up. Okay, as you guys can see, right? $12, $6, $8, $2, $3. I mean, these are very, very easy to use, easy to source, but easy to source products, right? Where you can get, you can get this for the 5 ml infusion system for $12. Do you know how much they sell this for, guys? If I go here, if I buy their infusion with 3, right? If we go here, if I buy their system, okay, it is the thing that you buy for $5 to $10, you can sell for anywhere to like $100 to $200. The margins on this product are absolutely insane. Now, why are the margins insane? Well, it's because this isn't a typical dropshipping business. Well, you could go to AliExpress and you can try and find this particular product to dropship, but I wouldn't, right? I would typically, reach out to someone like this business that has tons of reviews, that has a track record of producing products like this. I would give them the Glove Beauty website and be like, hey man, I want my product to have the exact same ingredients as them. And the suppliers will literally give you a side-by-side comparison of the Glove product versus your product. And then what you would do is you would basically just import the product over. So I'm just going to go Glove Beauty, because Glove Beauty has been around for a while, right? That's why there's all of these searches, because people have tried to search it. But as you guys can see, this is not available. Okay, you can find the ampules, maybe you can find the applicator, but you can't find the serum, because these aren't very easy to drop ship. But if you can get a few pieces delivered to your home, and that's how I started my dropshipping business in Dubai, where I was dropshipping, but instead I just decided to go to my supplier, place an order of just 500 units that literally ended up costing me nothing, because I did it with a supplier and I got it at such a good deal. It was just kept at my house, and when I would get an order, I would just ship it out myself like a typical business. And then I did that for enough time where I had, I was really good. I could just move it into the 3PL, and then they started shipping it for me. But anyways, that's the gameplay with this particular business, right? And over here, if we typically, manufacture the product, package, get it shipped, warehouse fulfillment, we're looking for about, let's say we do this for 2,000 units, right? We're looking at spending about 2,700 to 35,000, right? That's again 2,000 units. You don't have to do that, right? But if we sold all of them at 70 a unit, we're looking at making $100,000 in profit. For $30,000 in cost, we're looking at about $100,000 in profit. But you don't have to do it at that much. Let's just do it at 500 units, right? So 500 units would be cost per unit. 500 units would cost you about, I'm just doing the math here. If we just did 500 units, right, at $13 a unit, we're looking at about $6,500 in cost to make a profit of $26,000. Okay, so 6,500 in cost to get a profit of about 6,500, and you can even go lower because you could just do 100 units. It depends on what you want to do. Again, we've done all of this research for this product because we've been tracking this store for a really long time. Now, once you find a business that has all of the above, right, that has ads that have been running for a really long time, that are literally only solving one problem, that have a page that's been not changed for a really long time, and you have the ability to supply, that's a clear indication of the business that you have to get into. And then what you do is you model the sales page. Now, modeling the sales page just typically means like address all of the different sections. Now, when I model very, very closely, right? So for example, over here, right, they have this section, right? They have a section of the influencers. You should also have a section of the influencers. Visible results, you should also have. So every section that they have, you can do your version of it, or you can do the exact blueprint. So that's what I typically like to do when I'm modeling something, is I create an exact blueprint of this entire business. Okay. And so when you find a business that's worth it, I'd say don't take this particular product and then drop it into a general store and try to sell it that way. I'd say create your own branded version of that store and go all in, because you're much better off pouring resources into something that you know is going to work versus just trying to take a shot and testing, right? Just testing if it works. And so for those of you guys that are interested in finding products that have been around for a really long time, that are absolutely proven, and you want us to help you launch those stores, then check out White Label Dropshipping, because that's what we do. So if we go inside Shop Funnels, if we go into our programs, if we go into White Label, and if we go into the White Label stores and the micro infusion funnel, right? This is a store that we found a while back, right? And so if we go into the micro infusion funnel, we can basically just import this funnel directly into Shop Funnels, which is a website or a funnel builder. Or you can import this into Shopify if you want as well, but I typically like to use Shop Funnels, right? And if you guys see, this entire business has been loaded up. So they typically use different types of pages, like this page or this page, right? Like 5 reasons why pages, but mostly they've been running traffic to this type of product page where it's like, okay, your micro infusion system. And what you would do is you would get all of your suppliers' photos, put them in here, right? But if we look at these pages side by side, you'll see that they haven't changed a lot. So I'm going to go open up Glow right here. And then this is here. So you would get your photos, we would put them here, right? They still have glamour, allure, they still have this right here, they still have do you guys see how we've literally modeled them? Because they haven't changed. This is something we did a year back, but they haven't literally changed much, right? Look at this, right? They have one image here, they have one image here, text here, the magic behind micro infusion, right? What we do is we change the name of the product, but that's what we'll do. We'll give you this page completely built, ready for you to use, all of the FAQs done, all of the testimonials, and everything is complete. We'll allow you to download this page directly into your Shopify or Shop Funnels account. We'll help you with we have AI employees that will create images for you. We'll help you create the ads, and we'll help you launch it. That's what we do inside White Label Dropshipping. It's a step-by-step system for finding brands that are working, that are performing really well, and how you white label it. And that's the way that's the surefire way. I know if like a beginner came to me and be like, dude, I need dropshipping to work, man, take a business that's doing $77,000 a month, right? And then launch it yourself under your own brand. Okay, go ahead, model the ads, right? If these guys are using a certain type of ad, just model them and launch it under your own brand. Don't do this pump and dump drop shipping where you're continuously finding winning products to see if they're working or not. Just focus on this. Look for good brands, look for longevity, look for ad volume, look for the fact that they're running ads to one product. Once you find that business, literally do what we do, where you take this business right here, right? Where you take the business and you basically create your replica version of it. As you guys can see, step by step, replicate the entire success structure of the business and then launch it under your own brand. And that's how fast you can start making money with e-commerce. All right. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Appreciate each and every one of you. For those of you guys who want to watch how I do this, there's going to be a live class that happens every single week. I'll link that below for those guys who have done enough learning and just want to do it, want us to build your funnel for you, create your ads for you, and launch your business with you. That's white label dropshipping, link down below. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate each and every one of you. Catch you guys next one. Peace.